I will talk about how can you add company information on your Magicplan app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, you click on profile and account down here. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on company profile, you just click on it. You come to next here and here can you add photo to your company and add name. Then here company profile, can you add it here, add your contact info here. So then here add address, and here if you have logo can you add it here, then it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So I wish you a great. Thank you for watching.